Comprehending what a word means in a sentence is sometimes difficult. Hence, the concept of homonyms needs to be understood. What is a homonym? It is a word that is spelled like another word or pronounced like it, but has a different meaning. Homonyms are very much closely related with the module of reading in IELTS. While trying to understand the meaning of a word in a sentence, students generally relate the meaning of that word with some other meaning that is closely related to that particular word. ਆਮ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਮੋਡਿਊਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਰਟਿਕੂਲਰ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਕਿਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਵਰਡ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਆਲਟਰਨੇਟਿਵ ਦੋ ਮੀਨਿੰਗਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਇੱਕ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਵਰਬ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਇੱਕ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਉਹ ਨਾਊਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਸੋ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਕੰਪਰੀਹੈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਔਖਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਆ ਵੀ ਉਸ ਪਾਰਟਿਕੂਲਰ ਵਰਡ ਦਾ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਕੀ ਹੈ। For instance, we'll be making two different sentences using a homonym where its meaning differs. First statement is, during spring season, weather becomes pleasant. And the second is, she is full of energy like a coiled spring. Here the word in focus is spring. In first sentence, it means the season that comes after winter. While spring in second statement is a coiled metal. There are many other pairs of homonyms that are part of our daily conversation. Right and right. One right is RIGHT and the other one is WRITE. Both are pronounced in a similar way but mean totally different. One and one. One is ONE and the other one is WON. The meanings are very much clear. Meanings are different in both these words. Other word is break and break. One is BRAKE and the other one is BREAK. The first brake, BRAKE, a device that is used to stop a vehicle. The other brake, BREAK, is shatter, that means tut jana, or an interval that is required. Road, ROAD, that means street, or in Punjabi we can say sadak. And the other road is RODE, which is the past form of ride. Bark. One means tree's outer layer and the other one sound made by a dog. One is fair, FAIR, that means a large gathering of people, and the other meaning of fair, FAIR, is light complexion. The other is fare, FARE, like in bus fare, train fare, the money that has to be paid for traveling in a public transportation. The list of homonyms is a long one and it can be generally found in a number of newspapers while going through a news, a magazine, a journal. So there are various other websites which can help you with this topic. One simple task for each and every one of you is that write all the homonyms you come across and see if you know the difference between